Hello YouTube, my name is Josh Bryan from BNB. Today we're going to be talking about JIRA. If you have any questions about this or any other video, feel free to reach out. You can reach us at info@bnb.com. So this is the JIRA Dashboard. We have a couple different add-ons as part. We have Fisheye and Crucible, which I'm not going to be discussing at this time. Now, for those of you who don't know, JIRA is an agile web-based development tool. So it is strictly through your browser that you connect with it. You can see the different dashboards here. You can see different projects and navigate to different projects. You can see different issues. Issues are, as intents and purposes, a bug. And we can capture different tests and test sessions. Okay, over here we have the administration, the users, user management system add-ons. We have our profile, which we can edit here. We can see the different user information and everything there. We have the different things that are assigned to the user. So one of the things I want to show you is something that I found really cool with JIRA, and that is the capture. Browse test sessions. We have a test session here. I'm going to create a new test session. We'll call it new test session. Assignee. Information, issue. And we'll go create. Okay, I'm going to go to that. I'm going to start the session here. And we're started. Now this is particularly great for exploratory testing or what have you inside of JIRA. Now, one thing I really like is this tool, this add-in right here. This capture for JIRA. Now I'm going to show you real quickly how you get that. You go to your settings, you go to extensions, and here's your capture for JIRA. And what that enables you to do is this. So let's say, I'm doing exploratory testing of Yahoo Sports. So I'm here and I see something that shouldn't be there. I can click this, which opens up this window here. Let me sign in. There we go. Now we can create an issue, create a new issue. We can attach it to an existing issue. We can use a template. We can assign it to a project, user story. What user story do you want? And we can assign all this directly from here. But what I want to show you are these features here. Again, very similar to Snagit. We have, circles, squares, and lines, arrows. Now I will say something about the arrows. This bar right here is how thick the arrow is. So let me show you here. I personally don't like it thick, and this is again just a personal preference. I like it a little thinner. We have a text box. Something new. So after we do this, it's capturing here, if you notice. And so if I'm creating a new issue, let's select some of this stuff. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to move it down here. I'm going to create a text box again. It says there should be a different. Yeah, I'm going to move that down a little bit so it's going over my arrow. One thing that you can do, in case you don't like that arrow, is you just make your own arrow, which I think works just as fine, to be honest. Looks a little paint-ish, like you're using paint, but I don't really know that I care for this arrow. So you have this, you create a summary. There should be a picture. Okay, and then you scroll down, description, due date. You can assign. Let's assign it to myself, and environment, and then I click create. And now we're done. And now I can go back to my test session. I can say complete and submit. So now I'm done with my test session. So if I go back to my session in JIRA here, let me refresh the page, that it's created and it's completed, and we have the screenshot. And we can see based here that it's assigned to me. There we go. We can click on the image here. We can see what we did. Close it. You can see where it's related to over on the right side. Again, this is just a quick step into JIRA, and the capture for JIRA is something that at BNB. So again, if you have any questions about this video or any other of our videos about ALM or any of the other features that we work with, feel free to reach out. My name is Josh Bryan. You can reach me or anyone else at BNB at info@bnb.com. Thanks so much. Bye.